The Stoic Shakedown is your source of ancient wisdom for modern life. Subscribe for weekly videos on Stoic history, theory and application, and follow Stoic Shakedown on Instagram and Twitter. In this video, we examine the Stoic view of death and mortality and how by accepting the inevitability of death, one can live a more fulfilling and purposeful life. According to the Stoics, death is an inevitable aspect of life that lies beyond our control. They believed that embracing this fact could lead to a more fulfilling and meaningful existence. Rather than fearing it, the Stoics saw death as a natural part of the cycle of life. They also maintained that death is not an evil, but rather a natural process. It is our attachment to life that causes us to fear death. To achieve inner peace, the Stoics advocated living a virtuous life while accepting the inevitability of death. The Stoics wrote extensively on death and its role in our lives. Here are some quotes from Stoic philosophers on death. Death is a release from the impressions of sense, and from impulses that make us their puppets, from the vagaries of the mind, and the hard service of the flesh. Seneca. Death is a natural event and can be neither good nor bad. It is our judgment of it that makes it so. Epictetus. It is not death or pain that is to be dreaded, but the fear of pain or death. Epictetus. Stoics advocated living a virtuous life while accepting the inevitability of death. The Stoics believed that by accepting the inevitability of death, we could live a more fulfilling life. Here are some Stoic exercises to help you become comfortable with your mortality. Contemplate your mortality. Spend some time each day contemplating your mortality. Reflect on the fact that you will die one day and that your time on earth is limited. Live in the present moment. The Stoics believed that the present moment is all we have. By living in the present moment, we can fully appreciate the time we have and make the most of it. Practice negative visualization. The Stoics believed that by imagining the worst-case scenario, we could prepare ourselves for any situation. By practicing negative visualization, we can become more comfortable with the idea of death. Cultivate virtue. The Stoics believed that by cultivating virtue, we could live a more fulfilling life. By living a virtuous life, we can prepare ourselves for death and leave a positive legacy behind. The Stoic approach to death provides us with a powerful perspective on how to live a meaningful and fulfilling life. By accepting death as a natural part of life, we can learn to live in the present moment, cultivate virtue, and pursue rationality and make the most of the time we have. The Stoics remind us that death is not to be feared but rather accepted as a natural part of the cycle of life. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button for weekly Stoic wisdom and follow Stoic Shakedown on Instagram and Twitter. See you next time.